Hey guys, this is MC. Here I have really nice kid's haircut with a very low taper and gradually left longer with a long top. Um, and here I'm showing you how to do this haircut. Very simple. Usually when I start my haircuts, I wet the hair slightly down, I comb the hair that naturally falls. In this case, I'm literally sectioning the hair right in the middle of the head and combing it to the side, as you can see. All my haircuts are really designed to be simple for everyday cutting. I don't do too much of sectioning, as you see in some tutorials where they go like quarter of an inch section, the whole haircut is sectioned. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. That is good. However, I believe there is a lot of time wasted there. And in this industry, time is money. So if you want to make more money, you gotta see what is the fastest way to the best haircut. Um, so that is to say that I do my haircuts this way, and if you want to do your sectioning, this is absolutely fine. As a matter of fact, I do sectioning sometime, but I try to limit mostly to the top. When you do sectioning on the top, you get more precise cut, and usually the tops these days are long, so really you gotta do scissor over comb or scissor with a razor and a comb. That being said, here I'm using 1.5, removing the bulk. I am staying very low, I'm not going high whatsoever. The reason here, I split the hair right in the middle and comb it to the side. That way I can, kind of blend it at the same time here with my 1.5 into the top, as you can see here. That was my first step, 1.5. Now I'm just gonna clean up the edges a little bit and start my taper from skin. I'm gonna keep this very low, I'm not gonna go high. This haircut really looks nice on my client here, and I was very excited to do this haircut. Couple of announcements. MC Barber Academy is going to be, God willing, open this year. We are just waiting for our hearing in May, otherwise everything is ready. To my class for May 20th of this year is almost booked. I believe there is 3 spots left, so if you like to register for that class, it's 8-hour class, hands-on. You can go to my website, mcbarber.com, and go to the workshop page, and you can register right there. There is only 3 spots, I believe, left. It is hands-on class. We'll be working with on my system, MC Barber system, and my system is composed of 4 categories: scissor category, clipper category, straight edge razor category, and styling. I teach fundamentals, how to properly use the razor, scissors, and styling, as well the clipper fundamentals. It is amazing that I get students right out of school and they spend the whole year in school, and they literally, certain schools don't even teach them how to hold the scissors. It's kind of sad. So here I started my fade with 0, and now I'm using 1.5. I did 1.5 first, then I strike that line with my edges with 0 gap. Now since I'm fading from top down, I'm fading top down. I want to keep that line low. I don't want to move my fade high. So I'm using a system called fading top down. So that was my guard 1. I started with an open blade, then I have closed, then I fully closed, and when it doesn't cut anymore, I move to my half guard. and same process goes. I start with the open blade, then half closed, then fully closed, and then when it doesn't cut anymore, I just remove the guard and I just go with the blade. Just to remind you guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit the button thumb up, please. I really appreciate that. I am going to revolutionize my channel coming up. I hope we are adding some seriously good services. I see the trends are now the vibrant colors, and we are planning to start doing a lot of haircuts with the colors and stuff like that. So that is the plan right now. We shall success, and look forward for those videos. They will be coming. There will be a lot of changes coming up, I hope, by the end of the year. As I'm starting a whole team, we will have education online as well in the school. So I am planning to do a lot more education by the end of the year. I still have one more competition to do this year in Paris, France. Last year I was #2 in the world in the low fade cut. Hopefully, I hope that this year I will win the first place, and then I will retire from competition and concentrate more on education. I was very fortunate in my barbering career that all my life, um, barber life, I was always surrounded with the best barbers, the champions from 70s and 80s, as well the champions from this era. So I was fortunate to learn the fundamentals of razor, of scissors, styling. So my goal is to pass on that knowledge to the next generation. mcbarber.com is my website. Subscribe to my channel. That way you can stay tuned and really benefit from this knowledge that I acquired over the years from some of the best masters in this industry over the years. Don't miss on it. It really is a solid knowledge. This gentleman here is my son Ismail. He is one of my favorite models for hair cutting. He's got a beautiful hair. So not pretty much any style you do on him looks good. And shout out to all my fans around the world. I appreciate you watching my videos. I really do. If you have comments and suggestions, they are always welcome. And I do my best to reply to any of those comments and suggestions that are meaningful. And if I missed your comment or suggestion, I apologize. But I usually reply to the ones that really mean something and they are on the subject of what I'm doing. For the stylists in the area, we are going to introduce a refreshment barbering course. This is for people that are already licensed and are in the field. We'll probably have like a 100 hours course where it will be once a week for a certain period of time where you can come and learn the art of barbering, so you can introduce that in your salons. So once the school is open, check our website. You can contact us, but the best way to contact us is mcbarber.com through our website, and see what we have available for you. We are working right now on getting our barber tools, the proper styling brushes. As brush is really one of the most important things when it comes to styling. Once my fading is done, now it's time to cut the top. I'm gonna damp his hair pretty good. and comb it to one side. Since I'm going to be cutting with my right hand, I'm going to comb the hair from left to right. I'm using here scissors called erasers by Sharkfin. They are extremely good. They have teeth on both sides. I am keeping his hair pretty long. I just want to create a texture since he has a heavy hair. So as you can see, I'm keeping the length but removing bulk out of it. You'll create nice movement and texture and give him that soft finish as well. The ends have to be tapered. So what I'm talking about, his hair, the ends of the hair are tapered, so when he styles his hair, the hair doesn't fall flat, it doesn't fall down from the heaviness. If you understand what I'm trying to say, as you can see here, the hair is lighter, it has short hair in there, texture, so when he styles, it will hold the style a lot better and it will look fuller. Here now I'm just going to do the ends a little bit more. And you will see that beautiful finish that this technique gives me. So these scissors are really good. They are by Sharkfin again. They are called erasers. You can go to Sharkfin Shears and order the scissors if you like. If you put MC code, you will get additional 10% discount on your scissors. Here I'm using again blending scissors to lighten that line. This could be done with a straight edge razor as well, or with the blending scissors. So since I did a lot of my haircuts previously with a razor, I decided to do this one with the blending scissors. I know not everybody uses the razor, so just to show you a different technique here, I'm using a blending scissor. This blending scissor actually is not the same as a eraser. Eraser has teeth on both sides. This one has blending teeth only on one side. So this one cuts more than erasers. Erasers actually don't cut too much here. Cutting with a blending scissor is not the same as cutting with a regular scissors. You are removing the bulk, but it keeps the length. Alright guys, so there was your haircut. That was before. Now this is after. I left here a bunch of pictures for you guys. If you want to go through them, it's almost like a minute and a half of pictures. In any case, thank you very much for watching my videos. I'm MC. I really appreciate you guys following me on YouTube. On my social media, Instagram is the MC Barber. Facebook is MC Barber. MCBarber.com is my website. Please, for any comments and questions, put below the video. And until next time, take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe.